This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics while taking immediate action. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and paired to your iPhone, and that both have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Once done, position the device you'll mirror to within range and connect your iPhone to the same Wi-Fi network. Now open Control Center on the iPhone. You'll use it in the next step to initiate screen or audio sharing. This eliminates setup pauses and moves you straight into the mirroring flow. Next, you initiate the mirroring session through your iPhone. Swipe down for Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring or AirPlay, and pick the receiving device. While that connects, open the specific app or content on your Apple Watch so the visual starts updating immediately. You want the watch to be the active source. Make sure audio routing is set to the mirrored device if you need sound. If the first attempt delays, stop and retry from Control Center to force a fresh connection. To finish, check the receiving screen for latency, orientation, and audio. If things look good, use iPhone Control Center to end the session when finished. If visuals freeze or lag, force quit the watch app and stop mirroring, then restart the process. A key troubleshooting tip: if mirroring fails repeatedly, restart both Apple Watch and iPhone, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and confirm both devices are logged into the same Apple ID. That usually resolves stubborn pairing or AirPlay discovery problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.